CV Store. CV Store is a repository of candidate CVs where you can find suitable candidates for job openings. There are a variety of user-friendly filters to find desired candidates. Filters are broadly divided into 4 categories, which are basic, advanced, tag, and save for result-oriented filtration experience. Let's start with basic filter. Basic filter is the most useful when recruiter quickly wants to check availability of resources in the market. And if the requirement is not very specific, you can use basic filter. Next is advanced filter. Advanced filter enables user with the power of filtering fields so that user can narrow down their search and can find very specific type of candidates. For demo purpose, let's see how basic filter works. Let us select the job so that all filter options get selected automatically. Click on search button and the results are displayed below. Based on the basic candidate details along with profile and skill match score, user can take decision to view entire detail of candidate or mark him as favorite, matched or unmatched as per the requirement for later reference. Once candidate is tagged, then these candidates will be removed from this list and can be viewed under tagged filter. If user wants to see summary, then he can click on filter and summary button, as this gives entire summary of search results, and they can narrow down their search by applying appropriate filters. Let's quickly apply desired filter. You can see now we have less candidates to view. If you like any particular candidate, by clicking on view detail on his card, you can see all his information. There will be some nominal charges which are mentioned on the pricing page. Under details, you have 2 options, add to job and download CV. By clicking on add to job button, candidate will directly be added to ATS workbench of that particular job, and user can download CV by clicking on download button. Note, add to job button is only visible if you select job in the parent filter option. On the top, there is an option for CV, only if online profile is available with us. If you click on CV tab, you can see candidate's online CV which he has made on HireXpert application. You can customize its view by clicking on customize view option. So suppose if you want qualification as priority, you can pull it on the top and you can save this sequence for this job or for all the jobs. This set sequence will be followed for every candidate. Let's see save filter option. You can create a save filter by clicking on add button. This is most frequently used option in case of similar candidate requirements. In case you want to prioritize filter, you can do so. This will save a lot of your time in future when you have similar requirements. We have given a lot of filtering options under save filter like language, education, certification, visa, and much more, which is not an advanced filter option. You can name it and save it for later use. Also, there is best match CV button, which directly helps you to find most suitable candidates for your requirement. Now, this is all about HireXpert CV Store filters.